Hello, what's up guys? In today's video we have the Vivo Y04 which is locked. Let's unlock this phone with the hard reset. For that, first you guys have to power off your phone, as these new devices simply won't turn off with the power key, so you guys have to press the power and volume up key for the phone to turn off. Now after that, press the power and volume up keys at the same time. Now the phone will gets into the fast boot mode. Here use the volume keys to move the option and use power key to select an option. Select the recovery mode and then wait for a while. The phone will get into the recovery menu in a few seconds. Here you guys can see we have the options here. Now here select clear data, then clear all data, and then tap on OK. This will completely erase all the data from your phone. Now wait for the process to be completed. Now when the process completes, tap on the return, tap on the back arrow, and here tap on restart, and then tap on OK. The phone will reboot. After the reboot, your phone will take some time to load up, so you guys have to wait for it. Now when the phone finally turns on, tap on start, move forward, set up your phone, and after completing this setup, you guys will be able to use your phone again.